Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how does HTML, CSS, and JavaScript make a website. Stay tuned. Thanks for checking out my channel. This is the Wannabe Digital Marketer, and what that means is everybody in digital marketing is a wannabe. That just means that we want to get to the next level. We want to be there, all right? So please join our community and share what you have, and we look forward to sharing what we have. Thank you. All right, so let's get to it. How does it make a website? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. All right, these are the simple programming languages for building a website. So HTML, that is the basic website, right? So when you create a file, you create it in the HTML language. And don't ask me what it stands for, I don't know, but I do know how to code it. So there's different structures, there's different elements to the HTML. So you're gonna create an HTML page, you're gonna have a header, the body, you can have heading tags like H1, H2, H3, you can have divs, you have spans, anchor text, image elements, you have paragraph elements, I'm sure I'm missing a ton of them, but they have all of these different elements predefined in a language that you can code and output onto a website page. All right, so those are elements of HTML. Now, CSS, that stands for Cascading Style Sheets. I do know what that stands for. Now, the CSS language connects to HTML. So you're gonna have an HTML file, then you have a CSS file. The CSS file is going to talk to the HTML and say, okay, style this way, make this that color, make this font size. The CSS, you're gonna code to say it, to tell it to say that, okay? So that's how that works. And just to be a little bit more technical than that, so when you're building out a style sheet, you can actually create classes in the HTML. So when you create out an HTML element, it will have a class. And then you have the class in there, and in the style sheet, you say, okay, give this class that specific color or style, etc. So that's how the two are talking to each other, through classes. You can also talk through IDs, you can talk through selectors, you can talk just through the elements, like the paragraph. So you can say all paragraphs have to look this way, all elements have to, or all images have to look this way through the style sheet code. So that's very useful. All right, now, so JavaScript. So how does that play in? So JavaScript is another file that goes in the mix with all of those and talks to both of them, but mostly the HTML file, and it can make it do certain things. So one of the most common uses for JavaScript is a drop-down. So if you want a drop-down navigation menu, you can apply JavaScript to give it that functionality. JavaScript is used mostly for animation. However, it can be used to store values and certain other things, but mostly it's for animation. If you want to make an image move a little bit, you can do it with JavaScript. Okay, so those are the three basic elements of building a website page, and that's how they work, and that's how they function. If I wasn't able to answer your question, drop a comment below if this wasn't helpful, or if you want an explanation further on CSS or JavaScript or some examples. I would love to shoot a video in the future on those, so please just drop a comment below, let me know. While you're at it, please like this video. Oh, and before I get, please subscribe to this channel. I look forward to putting out more content about paid digital, web development, SEO, social media, etc. Oh, before you go, there is a link in the description right at the very top. It is a link to our private Facebook group, the Wannabe Digital Marketer Facebook group. And what that is a community of experts in paid media, social media, SEO, and we're there to help provide answers to questions. And if you don't want to ask questions, you can just join and sit there and watch all the different communications about new trends and tools that we're all using. So look forward to you joining our community, and thanks for watching.